Sorry I'm laughing, but I've been talking the last 2 minutes and I didn't even have it turned on. Okay, my students, let's do a little practice. Now, all I want you to do is one row at a time. I don't even care if you see this row. Don't do this row yet. Just do the top row. What I want you to do is do the top, and then stop, and then watch me do it. Okay, go ahead. Do just the top, and then turn it back on. Okay, well, square root of 16, 4, because there's 2 4s in 16. 4 times 4 is 16. The opposite of square root of 25. I need 2 of the same thing, so that would be 5. 5 squared is 25. Now, I cannot square something at a negative, so that's why that is no reals or no solution. I'll take either one. Now, whenever you have a variable to a power, you just divide it by the index. So square root, you divide this by 2, it's x to the 5th. Next row. Now, don't do this bottom row. Don't do this. I'm telling you, don't do this. Just do this top one. Okay, so we got to break this up to the perfect stuff and then not perfect stuff. Perfect stuff, not perfect stuff. So I don't know why I'm doing this that way, but let's do it. So 8. 8 is 4 times 2. 4 is the perfect square. Now you could go, okay, 8 is 2 times 4. That's 2 times 2. I need 2. 2. Got 1 left over, so it's stuck here. Now this is an even power, so it goes here. So square root of 4 is 2. X to the 8th. Divide this by 2. Hey, hey, hey. Hopefully you're getting it. Hopefully you're getting it. So 50. That's 25 and 2. And this is even. So I'm going to break this over here. So it'd be 5x to the 13th square root of 2. Now, this is an odd power, so I got to break off just one. Just one. Break off just one. So it'd be x to the 8th, y to the 10th, square root of xy. Woohoo! Now, you're going to have to, I kind of ran over a little bit on this one. So the last one is square root of 2, square root of 6. Square root of 2, square root of 6. Don't do this one down here. Just square root of 2, square root of 6. And do the rest of them. Okay, so this would be 2 square root of 25. 5 times 5 is 25. So it'd be 2 times 5, because the square root of 25, I have 2 5s multiplied together to get 25. So my answer is 10. This one I could do 2 different ways. You could square both because there's no pluses or minuses. So it'd be 2 squared is 4. Square root of 3 squared is square root of 9. And square root of 9 is 3. So it'd be 4 times 3 is 12. Or you could write it twice and then multiply it. That is fine too. So then multiply them together. Good. Now, square root of 6, square root of 8. I said that wrong. Square root of 6, square root of 3. That'd be square root of 18. 18 is 9 and 2. So it'd be 3 square root of 2. And then 2 and 6, they're both under the square root, so it'd be square root of 12. And 12 has a square in it, 4 and 3. So it'd be 2 square root of 3. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, bottom. Go ahead and do that one now. Okay, so I got to break this up. Can I combine it? Because they got to have the same rad. It can. The number underneath has to be the same. Then you just combine the numbers out front. So 200 is 100, and 2 8 is 4 and 2. So, square root of 100 is 10. And square root of 4 is 2, so that would be 12. I have 10 as square root of 2s. I have 2 more of them. So altogether, I got 12 of them. Okay, this one, 27. That's 9 and 3. 12 is 4 and 3. So this would be 3 square root of 3. This is 2 square root of 3. So this would be 5 square root of 3. 125, that's 25 and 5. 500 is 100 and 5. So this would be 5 square root of 5. This would be 10 square root of 5. 10 times 10 is 100. So it'd be 15 square root of 5. Hopefully we're going along pretty good. This is a big review of radicals. Need to know this stuff. I know you think, well, I can't go home, Mr. Murphy, and cut my sandwich in square root. I know. But, well, anyways. Just do the top 2. Just do the top 2. That's all I want you to do. Okay, so you multiply this to both terms. So it's 2 square root of 2. Square root of 2, square root of 2 would be square root of 4. So this would be 2 square root of 2 plus square root of 4 is the number 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. There's 2 2's in 4. Now, I cannot combine anymore. Can't do it, because there's no radicand with this 2. Okay, this one, you're going to take this term, multiply it to both terms. So 3 times 1 is 3, square root of 5, square root of 5 is square root of 25, plus 3 times 1 is 3, square root of 50. Now we break this one down. Square root of 25 is the number 5, not square root of 5, not 20. And then 50 is 25 and 2. So I'd have 15 plus 3 times 5 square root of 2. And that's 15 plus 15 square root of 2. Now I cannot combine those two because one has a square root and one does not. I think I'm going to stop it there. And then, well, maybe we should do one more round. Go ahead and just do those two. Okay, so you FOIL. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times minus square root of 5. 2 square root of 5. And then minus square root of 25. So I did this times this. So I took each one of these, multiplied each one of these. Now these are opposite, so they drop out. Minus 2 square root of 5 plus their opposites give you 0. And 4 minus the square root of 25, that'd be 4 minus square root of 25 is 5. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. And I'm up to 9 minutes. I think I'm going to stop it there, and then we'll continue on with the rest. Go to part 2 is what I'm trying to say. Boy, I'm not doing too well with this. But be happy. Go to part 2. That's what I want you to do. Hope the projects are going well. Here you go.